Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Sometimes we think we lose our job, but actually we were rescued from it. Even if we think that we did our best in that job, but if the environment is so stressful and toxic and harmful to our heart, God sees things that we cannot see. God heard conversations that we cannot heard, and He knew that the stress and heaviness of our heart. So when a good status suddenly disappear, it is not a failure. It was God's pulling you out before it destroys your peace. Just like the Israelites when they were in Egypt, God removes them before they start losing hope. You see, God will never let us stay where we will be broken more than blessed. Although we may feel that we are back in the wilderness, but God says, and He promised, I am making a pathway in this wilderness. And the door that He will be opening for you will no longer be toxic. And this door will start to make you grow again and shine. When people push us out, God will pull us up. Remember that. So dear brothers and sisters, your new things is already beginning. You just haven't seen it now, but soon you will. Just keep your faith and keep trusting God. Hope this inspires us. And thank you for listening. To God be the glory.